United States is much more, because one of the main reasons it's difficult to handle in Africa is poor infrastructure, poor healthcare system, and like poor facilities. United States have a lot of like, it's a well-equipped facilities, and they are ready to handle this kind of situation because it's not respiratory, it's just during like by close physical contact. So I think United States is much more like equipped to handle all these kind of situations.
What kind of safeguards did you have to go through before you were able to travel back to the United States?
I had to, like CDC has this rule, like you have to go through CDC, and then once you are in CDC, then you have to meet with the clinical nurse, and then who will go through list of questionnaires and see, and then I have to like take my temperature twice a day for 21 days because that's the incubation period, and then send them back that my temperature log from every week. They call me every week to see how am I doing, and so. And tomorrow is my 21 days. I'll be finishing my temperature log form, and I'm fine so far. So.